Well, today we're actually going from our hotel to Le Canada Shopping
La
Center
Canada Shopping
in
Center इसका
Marbella, Spain.
तो जी होटल से आज निकल रहे हैं और आपको कराएंगे सैर और हो आपकी खैर कहाँ की मैरोबेला शॉपिंग सेंटर
Well, time to go. As you notice, from the car, we hit the road straight, and this is the kind of view you are going to be welcomed with. Now, the good thing about Spain in general, overall, and this region in particular, is that the view is pretty scenic, and it's uniform like that throughout the country. That we did not come against many traffic jams while we were there, and now as heading towards the Canada Shopping Center, as you see, you'll come across a lot of palm trees, towering as well, as you can see there. So we have actually entered the area of the Canada Shopping Center, and we are only now minutes away. There we go. We can enter the car park initially, park our car. The parking is free. Good news. And make our way inside. There's also a taxi rank and bus service that runs on a regular basis.
तो जी मैनकर मलिक के संग आए आपको दिखाएं स्पेन के रंग तो हम पहुंच चुके हैं ला कनाडा शॉपिंग सेंटर इसका मतलब ये होता है द कनाडा ला का मतलब द होता है ये अरबी लफ्ज़ है तो बहरहाल अभी हम ये उधर अंदर दाखिल होंगे तो आइए चलते हैं
Well, look, Canada. It has over 150 shops and restaurants. The shopping center is the largest of its kind in this region, and this mall spans over 100,000 square meters, and this makes it actually an ideal destination for a all-day shopping trip. The shopping center has free underground parking, besides also having a food court.
जी खुल जाओ सिम सिम और यहाँ पे नामो निशान नहीं है रिम चिम बारिश का यानी कि बेहतरीन वेदर है आइए
Well, what I noticed is that this shopping center, the theme or the vibe it has,
तो जी इस
is a bit
शॉपिंग सेंटर का
outdoorish,
एक विंग उधर
because the
है
weather outside and
और
inside,
एक वो आगे
well,
आपको
kind
नजर
of
आ
is the
उधर
same. However,
और
actually,
एक
it's
इधर
more cooler inside than
आइए आप
outside.
चलते हैं
It
इसको
was about
एक्सप्लोर करते हैं
25 degrees minimum outside. So, with that, uh, compared it to other European shopping malls, the weather makes a difference. And inside, the presence of lots of wood, as you can see there, the roof structure and other places, that is pretty comforting, and it gives you a more welcoming feel as you enter. So that's the difference. Lots of places to sit, and actually the mall was more inviting in terms of saying as if, you know what, come, sit down, have something to eat, a drink, or whatever. And also, do you see that ceiling? That terracotta color looks pretty nice there. Anyway, a couple other things. Small dogs are allowed as long as they are carried in the arm or on some kind of carrier. The mall also has a cinema, so you know it's kind of a bit of a one-stop place and very local to Marbella. Actually, it is within Marbella, and this is one of the malls that you'll find in Marbella when you're visiting there. Now we're gonna actually head out now. As you can see, we can take the escalator and head out. But the main reason for you to show you this was so you are well aware that this mall does exist there, and it's no different than any other mall. But I did highlight some of the difference earlier on, as you would appreciate. Well, we're done with the mall, and next week is very good, interesting, satisfying tour of Marbella Palm area. So, and the beach, harbor front. So I'm sure you're gonna like that. So see you next week. And the Spain series is running out fast. So let's make the most of it. See you. Like, subscribe, and share if you think that is fair. I try my best and very best to bring you the videos that you do like and are most informative. तो जी लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। उम्मीद आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगले वीक तक दीजिए इजाज़त और मार्बे करेंगे सैर और समुद्र के किनारे और वहाँ की रिलैक्स लाइफ, खाना पीना वगैरह वगैरह मिलते रही।